In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel ChatGPT Plus subscription via Google Play Store. First thing you need to do is to locate and open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Ensure you are signed in to the correct Google account that you used to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left or right corner, and select Subscriptions from the menu. In the list of subscriptions, locate and tap on the ChatGPT Plus subscription. Tap on the Cancel Subscription option, and follow any additional on-screen instructions provided to confirm the cancellation. It's imperative to note that if you cancel your ChatGPT Plus subscription before your current subscription period ends, you will not receive a refund for any remaining times. Your subscription will remain active until the end of current billing period or next billing date. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.